Welcome to SpatzAI. We've got your back. Our mission is to create an AI that predicts and increases the probability of a startup team's success by developing a toolkit to self-manage our team spats, disputes, and founder conflict. Our vision is to increase startup team cohesion and interaction. In other words, psychological safety. Empowering teams to self-manage and monitor their spats, disputes and founder conflict in real time.
65% of startup teams fail due to founder conflict.
According to Harvard professor Noam Wasserman, author of The Founder's Dilemmas. The problem. With 9 out of 10 startups failing, it is pretty obvious that these teams have poor decision-making skills. When founders disagree, we can get defensive, and misconduct will occur on occasion. With little or no recourse to manage our spats, disputes and founder conflict. Poor decision-making is inevitable, we feel, causing most startups to fail. Our proposal. To use the SPATS Code of Misconduct app. To object to misconduct during a disagreement. And if challenged, we use the SpatzAI and Founder Network to independently review any unresolved founder conflict. SpatzAI and machine learning data. We will monitor a team's ability to be accountable. By using the SPATS app, we can build the data from our spats to help investors predict the probable success of each team. Our market. Our initial focus will be on startup accelerators and incubators, supplying their batch of startup teams with the toolkit, and use the opportunity to start to gain data from the teams, and generally study the toolkit's effects and usage. Our competition. Most authors of organization psychology offer leadership workshops and internships for their programs, but do not offer self-managed systems and data-driven applications. The team. We will have 3 founders at SpatzAI. Desmond Sherlock has been working on his workplace design for some 17 years. We need to find our psychology research assistant, and our AI and ML data scientist. And our startup team will also be included in the startup team data collection research. The ask. We will be a not-for-profit organization, and wish to raise $100,000 for 5% with a valuation of $2 million. Next slide shows our spend plans. Accelerator cohort plan. We will approach some 50 high-profile startup accelerators to encourage 10 of them to use the SPATS app as part of our SPATS data collection research program, sharing the data with the accelerators, and acting as a contracted researcher on their startup team's probable success. Thanks for watching our presentation.